Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will move to storage and you will click. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.